Okay, to make spicy mayo sauce, we're gonna need mayonnaise, sesame oil, chili oil, and I also like sriracha, so we're gonna put sriracha in it. It's too easy and too good. Let's try it. Okay, let's start it. Just open up. It's about 1 cup. It's about 1 cup. So 1 cup of the mayo, and then we're gonna use 1/8 of the chili oil, and we're gonna use about 1/10 of the sriracha. We're gonna use sesame oil, also about 1/10.
And then we're gonna mix them up.
It can be too thick, and also it can be too thin. So just if you use the same measuring as I use, it will be perfect.
Okay. Small portion.
Okay. So this is how it looks like. Just mixing it. This is about right. So this is like spicy mayo. You taste it. Really good, really good. If you want more spicy, you can add the sriracha or also chili oil. But if you add a lot of chili oil, it's gonna get thin. So I recommend if you want more spicier, you add the sriracha. It's pretty spicy already though. Okay, it's ready. You just have to put it in the squeeze bottle. So if you don't have squeeze bottle, you can use the sauce cup, and then you just dip it in. Good to go.